Hey guys, Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spa with another video, and today we are working on a Tesla Model X that has been ceramic coated by an unknown shop. The ceramic coating, the owner says, is about 3 years old, so as far as I can see, the water beading is still there. It's very strong, but we are at that point where we need to decon and clay that ceramic coating. Now, there's a lot of speculation that goes on about claying and deconning ceramic coatings and stuff like that. And now they have products out on the market that you can actually clay bar it safely without abrading or marring, stuff like that. Now, let's talk about D.I.Y detailing. Ivan in particular, this is a professional apology because I did not understand. Don't take this the wrong way, buddy, but I thought you were being cheap. But I understand now when you say one spray on the clay towel and one spray on the panel. So let's talk about that. So I'm going to be using the D.I.Y clay towel here because this is a fine grade. It's not going to abrade, it's not going to mar the ceramic coating or the paint. Next, I did try to get the D.I.Y iron remover, but unfortunately it was sold out, so we went with McKee's, and this is just as good, if not better. Now let me zoom in on this, guys. What does this say? This is a clay towel and lubricant that has iron removing lubricants. Okay, so you're going to get that same iron removing color changing effect, but let's talk about this right now. Now, what did Ivan mean exactly about one spray on the panel, one spray on here? Well, turns out that these type of iron removing products are extremely concentrated, so you do not need a lot to spread it on the vehicle, and we are past the days of just waiting 3 to 5 minutes for it to turn color, only to rinse off and to see that you still have the little iron spots still embedded in the paint. So what I found to be effective, again, thank you Ivan, is that spraying the iron remover into the clay towel and onto the panel and actually starting and working that in is very effective, and you no longer have to wait that 3 to 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I'm talking about, how you can just cover an entire panel with just those 2 sprays. So shake this up. One spray on the clay towel, one spray on the panel. Let's go ahead, and again, you see how this suds up really nicely, guys? It's very concentrated. Now, while we're actually working this in, we're also spreading the product, which allows it to get all over the panel. Thus, within that time frame, whether it be 2, 3, 5 minutes, you're going to have that removing those iron particles out of the clear coat and out of your ceramic coating. Again, this is no pressure, guys. I'm not marring, I'm not scratching. This is a fine grade. But again, this video was to show you that, Ivan, I understand, I get it, my friend, and I apologize. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead, rinse that off. Let me feel that. Feels damn smooth, and we are ready to move to the next panel. Guys, Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spa. Take care.